In this video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic opening where the video swings into the frame from the right side, adding motion and energy to your intro. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the swing feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Swing Right, then apply it. Once applied, the video swings into view from the right, creating a smooth and engaging reveal. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not use the duration slider to control how heavy the swing feels. Shorter duration makes the motion quick and punchy. Longer duration slows it down, making the swing smoother and more cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the swing matches your pacing. And that's it, you've successfully added a swing right reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.